I started the program 3 months ago, I think, and
25K in literally 5 days, right? In profit.
yeah, completely mind-blowing, man. Basically, just join the program. That's the easiest way to get things done.
All right, but then let's get started with your story. How did everything go?
I started the program like 3 months ago, I think, and didn't really find a winning product. Basically, Pepe chose this one product for me, like after, I think, 2 months now. And yeah, it's absolutely crazy, bro. Like,
How's it going? Maybe you can share your screen.
Yeah, I think that is Black Friday was the first day, I think. And till today, still going on. Did like 50K. It's crazy, man.
So you had like 3 15K days.
The funny thing is, like on Tuesday, was it? I forget to basically my stock was running out. Like I forget to
like change the supplier on Shopify.
Yeah. That's
so nobody could buy.
Yeah. But yeah, shit happens.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, congrats. How are the profit margins on these like 50K you did in the last like 5 days?
50%, like something like that. Like just with the product costs. I'm negotiating with some suppliers because I have some issues to source the right product right now. It's also a question I have for you. I wanted to ask, the problem is the product, the company just has 20 pieces left. I need to make bulk orders or something. And then it take like 30 days to produce them and then ship them out. So that's, I don't know.
So I'm going to give you a few contacts here. Who did you talk to yet so far?
To William, to CJ Dropshipping and Sandro, but they haven't responded yet. So
yeah, like the suppliers themselves, I can send you a few more. But look, basically the supplier thing, you shouldn't be worried about it too much yet. You should still accept orders right now. And then if you see that it's too many and nobody can source it at all, which I don't believe, but let's imagine, then you're going to start changing the store onto pre-order. So the button is not going to be buy, but pre-order. Like the next couple of days, I would definitely not do that, even though obviously I assume you're going to get more than 20 orders.
For sure, like the next few days, definitely, yeah.
So very first of all, is this the very first winning product you have?
No, not at all. Before joining the program, I had one organic store or two, which were all decent products, but did not this much money with it. Like maybe 10K revenue a month, like something like that. Yeah, I would never have choose this product, like not at all, never. But Pepe said, and so I did, and yeah, this turned out to be pretty okay. But
pretty okay. So how does that feel now? Are you in shock, or does it even feel real at this point?
Like not at all. Like as I said before, like still have the supply issues, but if it's not a problem at all, you said, but it's still a bit like it's absolutely feel unreal. I just had today the Shopify payments go through my bank account, and this is mind blowing, like completely mind blowing, man.
I mean, 25K in literally 5 days, right? In profit.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Are you doing dropshipping full time?
Currently, yes, yeah. I have few problems. Also wanted to ask about this. I do the calendar structure and all this stuff, but I feel like I don't put out enough volume yet.
How much are you posting?
Like 3 to 4 videos a day at max, which is basically nothing. Like it's pretty bad, yeah.
Okay, so what's the issue? You have not enough products, or?
I don't know really. Like I feel like the editing and stuff just takes too long for me. Like I don't know. Like even before I quit my job, I did the same thing. Like also posting 3 to 4 videos. Now I do this full time. I don't know. I have some issue with it yet, but I don't know how to figure it out.
Is the problem that you're unproductive, or is it that you don't have enough products that you can test?
Unproductive. More like, yeah.
So what's the issue? Like, are you getting distracted, or what is it?
Like in the mornings, I wake up and do like just fulfilling the orders and stuff and some customer support. Then I go to the gym, which I think is too long, like 2 hours. And then it's basically noon. Then I have a meal and I don't know, like I don't get shit done. This is so annoying, bro. I don't know what to do.
First of all, are you planning exactly which videos you're gonna post next or film next day and edit next day? Are you doing that the day before?
Yeah, I do that, but I just do it for like the 3 to 4 videos, and then I edit.
But like plan double of that. Okay, so like 8 to 9 in the evening. Plan that. 8 to 9 bare minimum. This is like full time. What the fuck? Four videos is not. Get that done, and then you're allowed to go to the gym. You're not gonna get that done. You're not allowed to go to the gym.
I think that makes sense.
I assume you understand right now you have the chance to make a shit ton of money. Like you get it, right? Like if you do more output, you understand the amount of money
100%.
you can cash in is crazy. And the payoff for everything else you do is less. And you cannot sacrifice half of your day for waking up late and then going to the gym and then it's noon and then you eat. That's not how it works. So the most important things you should do in the morning, generally, I'm not telling you don't go to the gym. I'm saying don't go to the gym before you get shit done.
Yeah.
So after you did the things, then go ahead. But now, obviously, the actual game plan is not going to be, okay, tomorrow you're going to be able to post 10 videos because I assume you don't have enough products, correct?
No.
The first step is going to be finding enough products.
Okay.
And you need to tell everybody in the program, like in the guys, like the coaches, that you want to start testing more and that basically you want to get at least another 3 to 4 products approved. Okay. This means that this week you're gonna focus on the current the current products you have. So the 3-4 videos you do, plus only product research for 1 week.
Okay.
And from next week, you're going to start actually ordering the products. I assume you're going to have enough. It's a very simple solution. You just plan to do double. This is the thing I'm constantly seeing. If you plan, the chance of you actually making it work is pretty high because if you already planned out every single video you do before you went to sleep and it's just 8. So now you just have to do 8,
Yeah, true. You're just getting the notifications from Google Calendar and then...
Correct. It's just about the standards. It's just about having higher standards for yourself, not accepting 4 videos a day. It's nothing.
That's pretty bad, I know, yeah.
But what are your goals generally from here?
I don't really know because initially the goal was just to get like to 10K profit, like after tax in this year. But I don't know. I want to go like into paid ads, I think, for sure, if that makes sense. I don't know.
I mean, not yet. Definitely not yet, because right now you're not burning out at all. And going into paid ads is starting a completely new thing. So running paid ads for a winner, which you already have, might make sense. Running like Facebook or TikTok ads or something for new product doesn't make sense at all because you have the skill of organic. You're much better at organic than anything else. And if you start testing new products with paid ads, you literally start from zero. So it doesn't make sense. The only thing which does make sense is boosting your current products with paid ads on other platforms. Especially, I would recommend doing search ads on Google to your current product, and then also starting Facebook ads and TikTok, like Spark ads and stuff like that. But that's a little bit later. First, get the fundamentals down, just post way more, you know?
Okay.
And the goal generally shouldn't really be switching to paid ads. Right now, the goal should be doing more organic and then hiring creators to do more organic for you.
Okay, that's a big step.
This is where the actual money is right now for you. You just need to understand how much you actually have to make the same exact amount with ads. The 25K profit you did in the last 5 days, that's 100K with 25% profit margins on Facebook. You need to literally make double, which is more difficult.
More hard, yeah. But I definitely want to take a look into this because I think like it's more consistent also. But
no, bro, the grass is greener on the other side. That's the actual problem.
Okay, yeah.
You need to double down on organic big time.
Okay.
There's nothing better for you right now. Trust me. You need to go all in on organic.
I guess you're right, yeah.
What were the biggest learnings for the last couple of months from the program?
Definitely like the product selection part of stuff and just some basic tweaks, especially on TikTok, which I didn't knew before, but they can completely break you down if you don't do them right. For example, you can't use the twice clip for more than one time because then TikTok just shadow bans you. Major things like that.
Yeah.
Small tweaks to the videos and stuff was really helpful in the group calls. Just small details, to be honest, because I mean, before I joined the program, I already had like a few stuff working, but it boosted like a bit the program, to be honest. Yeah.
So did you tell your family and friends and everybody or not yet?
Not yet. Yeah. Nah. Like my parents and stuff, they know I'm doing this, but they don't know of these numbers yet. So they're really surprised.
What do you think they're going to say?
Bro, I don't know. I think they'll be shocked. For sure.
You said your initial goal was making 10K profits after taxes this year, right? So what's your goal now, like in terms of numbers?
Epic said, I think 100K this month with this product is definitely doable.
Yes.
And I think that's very doable if I keep on posting and doing the stuff you guys tell. For the next 2 to 3 months, I don't know, like, as you said before, like finding 2 to 3 new products, which I can run and get this shit done, like with posting at least 8 to 10 videos a day. I think I haven't got a numbers goal right now in my head, but more like this productivity things done and
outcome goal.
Everything set, yeah.
An action-based goal you basically have. which is like posting 8 to 10 videos from now.
Yeah, for sure.
That's very good. How is dropshipping generally, like doing dropshipping full time versus doing a full-time job?
More chill and stuff. Like, I don't know. I can decide when I go to the gym and stuff, which I always stream about it.
Which is a problem basically. At this point.
Yeah, for sure, man. Before I quit my job, like I always even stand up like before going to the job, like at 4 p.m. filming and stuff. 4 a.m. Yeah, right. And now it's just, I think it got a bit distracted right now because, as you said, like I haven't structured my day and all, and it's definitely other. Yeah,
I think being in a job is way easier in terms of productivity because you have very clear guidelines. You have to be there at 9, go at 5. You have to this. And you get very clear tasks. Like it feels freeing, but it can fuck everything up being so free because what you're experiencing is nobody tells you anything. You literally do what you want. Wake up in the morning and then wake up in the evening. Nothing doesn't matter. You decide, right?
Yeah.
And this is an actual problem because nobody actually holds you accountable on a day-to-day basis when you're alone.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
So this is why, like, I'm telling you these things right now, that you have to set the standards for yourself way higher than what you're doing right now. Because imagine this: you have a flight tomorrow at 10 a.m. Mm-hmm. You're definitely gonna wake up at 6 to prepare everything to make sure you're right. No way you're gonna miss it. You're gonna wake up at 6. This is how you have to treat organic. This is exactly how you have to treat it. Tomorrow, I have a set appointment to wake up at 7, and no matter what, I'm gonna start at 8. And start this. This is something which needs to get in your brain exactly like this. Like nothing is more important. It's ridiculous how set appointments, a doctor appointment, like a flight, all of these things are set, and you just do them at the exact time.
These things,
when it's for you, which is way more important, your stuff is way more important.
True, yeah.
Like you lose much more money than you would have lost on losing out on the flight, right? You understand it. So yeah, like you just need to treat your life like set appointments. Even though there's not, you have to invent these set appointments.
Also, when I set like appointment in the calendar, but I didn't catch on with the like video editing on the other stuff. I needed to make the other stuff, but haven't finished the other task yet. And then I was like, it just took me so long to do the other stuff, and basically the whole day. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, but that's why you need to start early and then have an open window later. Like you cannot just start at 1 and then basically you're done with the day because it's too late and you have to go to sleep, when in reality you didn't get the things done. You know, what you need to do is start early. And then if you finish early, great. Go to the gym, do whatever you like, literally do whatever you want after you film 8 to 10 videos. But before that, you're not allowed. If you start actually implementing this, and I hope you do, and we can talk, maybe like do another like update interview in like a month or so. But if you do that, everything is going to change for you. And the money you're going to make is going to exponentially grow, because not only your output is going to be more, also your learning curve is going to be so much better. You double the skill of yours like in a month versus in 2 months. You know, everything is going to be just so much faster. When you started dropshipping the very first time, what did you think like in the very beginning? Like, did you instantly believe this whole thing is real, and how did you even get into it?
In the beginning, I just watched like a bunch of YouTube videos, as everyone did. Started with paid ads, but I didn't really know it was possible. Like e-commerce and this whole stuff, like true. In the beginning, I had then my first store, tested like 2 to 3 products, but nothing really worked. And then I tested the 4th one, I think, and did like over 2 to 3 months, like 10K in revenue. So I knew it was basically possible. Basically, it was not even break even, I think.
So then, like you didn't make any profit?
No, like maybe.
So this is the first time you make profit?
Yeah, true. Yeah. This with the 10K store was a year ago. I didn't even know like what I have to do then. So I basically need help. And then I started saving money up basically for the mentorship program. That's where I'm right now. Initially, I thought like TikTok organic was just the thing I used to save up the money to join your program. But now it's like, the thing I do full time, basically. Yeah.
The main thing you actually did in reality is you stayed in dropshipping for a while. You said you already started the whole journey like over a year ago.
Yeah.
And it didn't really work out for the first like almost full year.
Not at all. No.
Yeah. So this is something where a lot of other people will quit, you know, and if you test a bunch of products, you try everything, and you just don't understand why things are not working, there is a moment where you basically have this feeling like, all right, this is pointless. I'm not getting it done. I see it kind of works, but I don't understand what's going wrong.
Yeah, true.
Do you ever have this feeling of you wanted to quit?
Not at all. I always would have thought it's just some minor tweaks I have to do. and then it will probably work. That was basically it.
How many videos did you film overall in the last 3 months to actually get there?
In the last 3 months, 250, 300, around that.
Yeah. This is the usual mark where I see people start to succeed, like around 300, obviously sometimes less, sometimes more. But 300 is basically the mark which I'm seeing very, very often with most people. That's actually when it starts to work. How many products overall have you tested in the program?
In the program, or just organic, or?
Oh, with organic, yeah.
Like really tested, I think this is my 3rd or 4th product right now, yeah.
And within the program?
Within the program, I just tested this one, yeah.
Ah, so that was the first product we selected.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
And wait, and you posted like hundreds of videos for this one product?
Now for this one, I just posted like 20 videos or something that.
So wait, what did you do in the other 2 months of the program?
Basically just product research, and the other 2 which I ran them back then.
Ah, the own product which you brought with you together, like in the program.
Yeah, yeah.
This whole thing, even though it turned out great, you need to get things done quicker. 2 months for product research is not it. It's not how it should be.
I think I picked out like 60 products, and out of them were like 3 okay, and this was the best one yet. Yeah.
Like, did you keep doing product research, or did you just pause it?
I still do it for sure.
So do you have another list right now already?
Not yet. I just sent one to Pepe, but all the products are shit. I'm currently doing it right now, but I have one question to a product because my store got taken down from Shopify. I'm not sure if it makes sense to keep running it or just drop it. Is
it making you money?
It did, but now the store is down. Like, it's been down for a month right now. But
how much did it make you?
20, 30K in revenue.
Like, you need to set up WooCommerce.
Would it make sense? Okay.
This is not a product which is going to die out soon.
Should I just do it myself with WooCommerce, or?
Yeah, either do it yourself, or I can connect you with a few people. Not out.
Okay, I will then. Like, because then I have my 3rd product.
Yeah, but still, you need to have more products in that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
What's the main advice you would give a complete beginner just starting off?
Basically, just join the program and like start with TikTok Organic. I think that's the easiest way to get things done and see results fast. I think it's a very valuable skill. You can learn like short-term content, can do so much things with it.
Currently, if you think about it, it's one of the most valuable skills out there. Every single company ever needs it. You can promote your own product, but also you can promote other people's stuff and get huge affiliates. I have people in the program which I refer to people outside of the program, which are just like my friends who have like pretty big businesses. And they all are like shocked by the value the students are providing them, because like these big business guys, they're not able to recreate the content you guys are doing because it's not worth it for them to learn this skill, because they already make a shit ton of money. However, they still need it for the ads, and they just like, for them, it just makes so much more sense to pay somebody to actually do that for them. And if you understand paid advertisement, you need an infinite amount of ads. Like, there's no too many ads, which means that if you can find one guy, give him like 30 to 100 creatives every single month, he can pay you a shit ton of money forever, and you're set for life, literally. Yeah, that's just something which is super stable, and it can always be like a side income if you want.
Makes sense. I mean, if you truly think about it, like also people like Andrew Tate or Iman Ghazi or people like this, like no one knew them before, but I think they completely blow up just by short form content. It's crazy.
And like, it's just a super smart strategy overall. How would you describe the program itself to somebody who isn't there, just so people understand what they can expect?
Basically, you have all the experts in your WhatsApp group. You can ask all the questions. They help you with the stuff, like with the Google structure, calendar and stuff. Like, it's pretty helpful. And the small details on the videos and stuff, like you don't know them as a beginner. You don't recognize this stuff, but it helps a lot, like for real.
I think like the main thing, as you said, like for you, was the product selection. Just like seeing what a good product is, which is pretty difficult in the beginning, and just having that done for you. And then just having the constant feedback loop of people looking over the things you actually do, and make sure that every video gets a little bit better, because these details, you by yourself, you don't notice them. But if somebody else tells you, you're like, oh, I'm not going to do this mistake ever again. And you basically have this thing fixed forever. One advice on one video is going to basically stay there for a while. So yeah, For people who are watching this right now, and if you're interested to join, click the link below. I will talk to you soon, I hope. Yeah, basically with you, I hope you're actually going to take the advice now and you're going to start posting a shit ton of videos. And we're definitely going to do like an update interview maybe when you hit the 100K or when you find the next product like winner or something like that. Okay?
Yeah, for sure. For sure.